Okay, today we are cleaning the Mazda. Does it need a clean? No. Look at it. It's fine. But will I clean it? Yes. But first, a little review of the car. Oh, it has heated seats. Okay, that concludes our review. Now it's time to wash the dang thing.
Joe, is this your house?
Yeah, this is where I live. Up there's my bedroom. What are we washing the car with? Auto Glyn stuff. We got this Magma one that's useless. It's expensive stuff, but I didn't pay for it.
You're welcome.
We've also got Karcher power washer. Let's get the hose. Where my hose at? Found it.
Here we have the new jet washer.
What are you doing? It won't go in.
I'm just gonna sit back and enjoy.
What? Why won't it go in now? It works. So step one to any car wash is to wash the wheels first. So that's what we're gonna do. The next thing that we're looking for is Auto Glyn clean wheels. Ooh. And then we need a brush. This one's so old, but it'll do. Now this stuff's really expensive, so every spray is like £1 gone, and it kind of hurts to use it, but and then we just let that soak in.
Aren't you supposed to be cleaning the car?
We're letting it soak in. And then we brush the crevices to get all the brake dust out, all that yucky stuff. You having fun?
Yeah. I wish you showed me this much attention.
Can you just film me? You don't have to speak. I think that's good enough. So then now we wash. We have to wash the wheels first. We can't move on to the. Hello. Okay, now that we got the wheels done, the second step is to jet wash the car. Pre-rinse. You always want to start from top to bottom, that way the dirt goes down. Another thing you never want to do is wash your car in direct sunlight, because that can lead to water drying on the paint. So don't do what I'm doing. Now, step 3 is shampoo the car.
I think you need to shampoo your hair.
Yeah, I need a shower.
No! Oh my god!
Okay, the next thing my girlfriend bought me is a bucket with a grit guard. That keeps all the grit at the bottom so that it doesn't scratch my car. I love my car. We got the car shampoo now. A little bit goes a long way, I realized. So, you just chuck a bit in there, and then we can use the jet washer to foam it up like a big car latte. This is a fun fact, maybe you don't know this. You clean in straight lines because circular means that if you pick up grit, you can end up scratching the paint. Did you know that?
No.
No?
I thought you said not to do it in circular motions.
I thought I told you to be quiet.
Joe,
Yeah?
this reminds me of last night.
Because you had a bath. Just kidding. You've never had a bath because you stink. Okay, we finished with the shampooing. Now we rinse that off. And then after that, tire dressing, I think. We're gonna use this, what do you call it, a chamois?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Black cars are cars that look really nice clean, but they're also the hardest to keep clean. And for somebody like me that loves to keep my car clean, It's kind of like the car from hell. So now that the car is clean, we're gonna do the tire dressing. So, just like that there. Okay, now we just now we just spray it on, and then just like do that, I guess. You know, I don't really appreciate the attitude you've had this video.
Joe,
Yeah?
come here. Do it yourself. There you go.
Yeah, I will. Okay, so apparently I'm cameraman now. You know what? I'm not enjoying this. Fliss, can you... Fliss? Fliss? Fliss?
Yeah.
Yeah, you need to be cameraman. The next step is ceramic coating. So, as I was saying before, the water beads off. And look, now, if we pour some Oasis onto it, it beads right. It didn't even work. I'm gonna finish doing the rest of the car because it's boring and you don't really want to see it. But we've washed the car. It's looking pretty nice. Now we're on to part 2 of this video. Yeah, where you're gonna help clean up everything.